everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. So today I'm going to be talking about how to build confidence, because honestly, there's been a lot going on in the world right now, and I've been so reluctant to post a video because I just felt like it wasn't right in my heart to just post a video right now, especially with everything going on. I've been super unmotivated. I want to be 100% into everything that I do. So I decided to just not film for a couple of weeks or 2 weeks. But I am back, and I am actually happy I'm making this video because me talking to you guys is like my therapy. So I just want to bring you guys a quick video about what I do and how to stay confident, because I think confidence is the most important thing ever. If you don't have confidence in yourself, you won't be able to do anything. And that's that goes for relationship, that goes for businesses, work, whatever you want to do in life. You need to be confident in everything that you do, because if you don't have that sense of reassurance, when you're not confident with yourself and you're not sure about what you want, it puts a lot of pressure on yourself. And not only does it put pressure on you, it probably puts pressure on a lot of people that surround you, or your family members or your friends. So I honestly think that it's so important to just be confident and just to know that you a badass bitch or a badass guy. And that honestly, when people see that you're confident in yourself and what you do, they're less likely to just play with you. They're less likely to fuck around with you and take advantage, because nobody wants to be taken advantage of. So I'm just gonna talk about what I do to stay confident, because like I said, recently I haven't been as confident as I should have. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what anyone thinks of me. It's about what I think of myself. And honestly, I really do think that I'm that bitch. So if anybody has their own opinions of me. But anyways, besides the whole point, so let's get started in this video. Okay, so the number one thing that I feel is the most important in order for you to be confident and to stay confident is to take care of yourself. Self-care is the most important thing ever in order for you to be confident. If you don't take care of your skin, you don't take care of your body, you don't take care of your mental state, you don't take care of your emotions, you're gonna be unstable in anything that you do, and you won't have confidence. If you don't take care of yourself and you don't shower, you don't do the basic necessities that you have to be doing in order for you to live, and in order for you to be happy and maintain a safe space, you're not going to be confident. Make sure you take care of your body. Make sure you go to the gym. Make sure you're eating healthier. Make sure you're taking care of your skin, your nails, because when you look good, you feel good. You know what I'm saying? When you look good and your nails done and your makeup's done and you have a bomb outfit on, you feel better about yourself. Now, I'm not telling you guys to spend all your money and buy expensive things and spend thousands of dollars on your wardrobe or your skincare in order for you to be confident. But just know that when you look good, you feel better about yourself. And when you look good and you go into a room, your presence is going to be seen. Let's just be real. A lot of people out there who are confident look good. They look sharp. They maintain their health. They maintain their beauty. They maintain everything. You're gonna be like, what the fuck am I doing? I don't have this life shit figured out. So taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin is very important. The other thing I like to do is to be careful about the people that I'm around. Because remember, whatever you put out in the universe, it's going to come back. So if you attract, or if you put out negative, energy into the universe, most likely you're gonna get negative energy back. And that is with everything: relationships, friendships, even with family members. You want to make sure you are around people that actually genuinely care about you. You don't want to be around fake people. You don't want to be around people that are not looking for your best interest at heart. A lot of times, especially nowadays, everyone's working on themselves. Everyone's trying to do what they gotta do in order for them to be successful. And you gotta make sure when you're around people that love you, or you're around people that are your friends, not only are they looking out for themselves, they're looking out for you. They're making sure that, hey, you're okay. Do you need something? Do you need help? If you need anything, I'm there. And those are the people that you want to keep close around you, because if you need somebody, you can call them up any time of the day and they will answer. They will be there. They'll help you out. And that goes for friends, families, relationships. You don't want to be around people that are always negative, people that are not motivated to do anything, and especially people that are not ambitious. So for me, I like to hang out around people that, get into that bag. I like to hang out around people that have the same type of interest that I have. So I'm really big onto like YouTube and stuff like that. So earlier this year I was like, damn, you know, I wish I had more friends that did what I did, or like, you know, and I was like, hey, I can just go online, go on Instagram and just DM people who also have the same interests as me. And I made a lot of friends off of Instagram. So stick around people that really want to ride or die with you and not just be there when they see you eating good. You want people that are gonna be there from the bus stop to the BMW, you know what I'm saying? You know. That being said, another thing you guys want to do is to get inspired. Go on the internet, and I think it's important for you guys to research a lot of the things that are going on right now in the world. And I think it's also important for you guys to read books, because I feel like people who wrote these books, they obviously wrote down their ideas and their thoughts, and they put them in a book so you can read them, so you can get the knowledge that they are putting, so you can receive more of an insight onto someone who was a freaking, I don't know, an entrepreneur. You want to receive some knowledge on someone that was, I don't know, successful in their life. You don't want to be around people that don't know what they're talking about. I think it's important for you guys to be inspired by people who are successful. Honestly, like, I'm not gonna look at somebody who's a bum and be like, damn, I wish I was sleeping in the cardboard box. No, you want to go online and you want to like read about people who actually did something important and made the world a better place. You want to be able to grasp that knowledge, so you know for yourself, like, listen, I'm doing the best thing I can do. I'm taking care of myself. I'm reading. I'm inspired, and I'm willing to learn. Honestly, I think when people are willing to learn, they are the most smartest people. They are the most impressionable people, because I think it's so important for someone to just be able to know that they can grasp knowledge easily and they don't have to be judgmental. They can sit there and talk to you and have, you know, a regular conversation no matter what it is, and not have to be so like polarized. And right, I want to be around somebody who is also smart. I want to be around somebody who also wants to do the same things I want to do. So if I go online and I see that there's a book of somebody who wants to be an entrepreneur, I'm more likely to read that book. I'm more likely to want to know more about that person. I will follow that person on Instagram. I will follow that person on Twitter. When you're on Instagram and you see all this negativity going on, I think it messes with your psyche. And you seeing these things all the time, it's not healthy for you. You want to wake up in the morning and not have to be like, damn, the world's fucked up again. What else? What more do I need to know about what's going on? Like, it's just so messed up how everything right now is just so depressing. If you wake up in the morning and you go on Snapchat or Instagram or Twitter, whatever you want to go on, and you see positive quotes, you see people that you like, that you inspire to be like, you see them going after their goals and they're achieving it, you see things that you want. Like, I made a vision board, for an example, and best believe I'm crossing off those things on my vision board. So make sure you're inspired by, you know, people that are positive, people that are motivated. Go on YouTube. YouTube has a huge selection of videos. There's so many things you guys can learn, so many things that you guys can like do in order for you guys to make yourself feel happy. I think your mind state is very important when you want to be confident, and you know, you want to be able to be positive in everything that you do. Another thing that we need to stop doing as a whole, and I mean all of us, because I do it too, is comparing yourself to other people. Stop comparing yourself to Kim Kardashian. Stop comparing yourself to freaking, I don't know, Christy Teigen, because these people live their own separate lives. Whenever I see somebody my age, 24 years old, doing what they gotta do, being successful, getting to that bag, I feel like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, how come I'm not able to do that? But like, let me tell you something. You have the same 24 hours as the next person. You know what I'm saying? You have to put yourself in your own lane and stay there. Don't go reaching out and doing whatever someone else has, because you don't know their story. You don't know their background. You don't know what they've been doing. Because there are people out there who honestly, I feel like they deserve it. And like, I'm inspired by that. There are people that are working 3 jobs. There are people who have kids. There are people who don't even have a place to live, and they're still making it because they're focused on themselves. When you're focused on yourself, you could give 2 about who's doing what, who's driving in what car, who got a new job. Because when you are focused on something and you have your eye on the ball, that's the only thing that you see. And that is how we all should be. I have my own journey. I have my own path. I have my own name. I have my own everything. Like, and I am so happy that I'm able to go on YouTube and have this platform already where I can share what I want. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can say whatever the fuck I want. Like, I can curse. I can do whatever I want. And like, a lot of people don't have that. So stop looking at what you don't have and start being appreciative on things that you do have. And it's okay if you're not where you want to be right now, because guess what? There's a millions of people who are in the same position as you, girl. Let me tell you. So for every person that you think is flossing and balling, and you're looking at Kylie, and you're looking at Kim Kardashian, or whoever Instagram girls that you're following, there's probably a girl looking at you thinking, damn, I wish I had that. So don't take shit for granted, and just focus on yourself. Stop being so hard on yourself. Be focused on your own growth. Be positive. I have 2 videos that I posted about my goals for 2020, and then I also have a 2020 vision board. So if you guys still want to know about how to manifest, you know, the life that you want, make sure you guys click on those videos. Last but not least, it starts with yourself. I can only tell you so much on what I do to be positive, but if you don't take the initiative step and actually tell yourself, like, why do I want this? And remember, like, a hating ass hoe will always be a hating ass hoe. And remember, Beyonce said, best revenge is your paper. So that means whether or not you like me, I don't care, because I am focused on myself. I am focused on my own body. I'm focused on my own bag. I hope this video wasn't too long, but if you guys want, you guys can obviously follow me on Instagram. My name is Lex_Mocha_, and make sure you guys also follow me on Snapchat and also on Twitter. I will post all my social media links in the description down below. And make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn your post notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.